Is your Windows 11 PC showing high memory usage? Do games stutter when loading new areas? Do large applications suddenly freeze for a few seconds? The problem might not be your RAM. It could be how Windows is managing virtual memory. Today, I'll show you how to configure a custom page file size that can help reduce memory-related slowdowns and create a more predictable Windows experience. Let's get started. Before changing anything, let's quickly understand what the page file does. The page file is virtual memory stored on your drive when Windows starts running low on available RAM. It can move less important data into the page file. This allows active applications to continue running. Think of RAM as your desk, and the page file as extra storage cabinets nearby. When the desk gets crowded, Windows temporarily moves some items into those cabinets. The problem is that sometimes Windows needs to resize the page file, and during heavy workloads, that process can occasionally contribute to delays, especially on systems with limited RAM. Windows normally manages the page file automatically. For many users, that's perfectly fine, but some users prefer a custom size. Why? Because it prevents Windows from constantly adjusting the page file during demanding workloads. This can create a more consistent memory environment, particularly when gaming, running virtual machines, editing videos, or multitasking heavily. The goal is not magical speed gains. The goal is consistency. And consistency often feels faster. Now let's calculate the values. Don't worry. This only takes a few seconds. You'll need to know how much RAM your system has. Open Task Manager. Click the Performance tab, then select Memory. Look at the total RAM installed. A simple starting point is initial size equals your installed RAM. Maximum size equals 2 times your installed RAM. Examples: for 8 GB RAM, initial size, 8192 MB maximum size, 16,384 MB for 16 GB RAM. Initial size, 16,384 MB maximum size, 32,768 MB for 32 GB RAM. Initial size, 32,768 MB maximum size, 65,536 MB. These are not strict rules, but they provide a good starting point for most users. Now let's apply the settings. Press Windows plus S type. Advanced System Settings open the result. Under Performance, click Settings. Open the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. You'll see a box labeled Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Uncheck that box. Select your Windows drive. Choose Custom Size. Now enter your calculated values. For example, if you have 8 GB RAM, enter 8192 as the initial size and 16,384 as the maximum size. Click Set, then click OK. Windows will ask you to restart. Don't restart yet. We'll check one more thing first. Open Task Manager again. Go to Performance. Select Memory. Windows should now report the updated virtual memory configuration. After restarting your PC, monitor your system during normal use. Pay attention to game loading behavior, application responsiveness, system stability, and memory usage patterns. Many users notice fewer sudden memory-related slowdowns, especially when multiple applications are open. There are 2 important things to remember. First, if you upgrade your RAM later, recalculate your page file settings. A system moving from 16 GB to 32 GB RAM should have its configuration reviewed. Second, never completely disable the page file. Some applications still expect virtual memory to exist, even if you have plenty of RAM. Disabling it can cause crashes, compatibility problems, and unexpected errors. A properly configured page file is usually better than no page file at all. Let's recap. Check your installed RAM, calculate a custom initial size, set a reasonable maximum size, apply the settings, restart your PC, and monitor system performance. This simple adjustment can help create a more stable and predictable Windows experience. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.